Welcome to part 8 of Papermaking with Mark Lander, and today we're going to the Canterbury Museum to see something really special. Now we have a commission to make some paper to cloak an artwork, so what better start than to look at the beautiful Maori cloaks which are made of the same material we're going to make the paper out of. So we'll see you in there. I'll show you what we're going to do. Here we have the traditional Maori rain cape, and it's made of coarse Harakeke fibres, and a beautiful mat with feathers. And if you looked at these cloaks, are just amazing. Have a look behind me. There's a very, very large artwork by Nathan Pohio, and we have to cover over, not this one's huge, this one's outdoors, but there's a version in the Rangiora Chamber Art Gallery that has to be covered while other exhibitions are on. But we can't just cover it with anything. It has to be covered with something that's appropriate. So have a look at the wonderful picture. It's Lord and Lady Plunkett coming into the Kaiapoi Pa, and there on horseback are all of Nathan's ancestors. Amazing, isn't it? So what we have to do is make a cloak which goes over the top of it while his painting is in storage. So we're going to have a lot of fun today. You'll meet Nathan, and actually he was my apprentice 30 years ago when we were doing stage sets as a young man. So it's kind of nice that we've caught up after all these years to do a special project together. So see you soon.
I'm just gonna say a little karakia before we get into cutting the flax. One of the things that I've learned on the project I'm working on at the moment is how important tikanga is for before starting anything. Alright, let's head back to the house.
Okay. This is what happens when you get a tangle in it.
There we are.
You always put it in cold water. Okay, you get underneath.
actually on the wall.
Now I think I'll
Hold on, mate. For sure. Well, they end up in rats and in the rain.
Oh yeah, I'll wait. Good old house kit. And then I'll turn it to the wire so it doesn't say. Yes, that's really.
Okay. Up with it.
Here we are, all finished. What an awesome day we've had. Lots of fun making this. I feel very happy. The director's quite pleased, Nathan's happy, the man in the car is happy, and the men on the horseback are really happy. And have a look. It's all done. Wonderful. Thank you.